Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be making a quick 5-minute recipe for breakfast with quick oats and eggs. So let's get started. Yeah, for this quick breakfast, we're going to need 1 cup of quick oats. You know, they're ready in 1 minute kind. Alright, we'll put that right in there. Now we're going to add 1 cup of milk. We heated it in the microwave for 1 minute. Put that in there. Now we're going to let that soak a little bit. Okay, we'll let that soak maybe 2 minutes. Now we're going to take 4 tablespoons of instant potato mix. Put that in there. And we're going to stir that around. That'll absorb most of the other liquids there. Okay, it's looking good. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Okay. Now we're going to put a tiny bit of oil in there. Maybe a tablespoon. Now we're going to crack some eggs. Okay, there's 3 eggs there. Now we're going to add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Okay, now we're going to kind of mix that up. Boy, that looks good already. It smells good already. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add some grated cheese. Yep. And some green onion. Okay. And we're going to mix that in. Okay, it looks pretty good. Now we're going to use our Elite Gourmet burner that we just picked up not too long ago. And at first it didn't work, so check the description down there. I'll put a link to how we fixed it in case you run into that problem yourself. Okay, we're going to set our burner to like a 4, which would be supposed to be medium, a little bit over maybe. Okay, we'll see. Alright, we'll put our pan on there. Put a little oil on the pan. Going to spread that around a little. Okay, now we're going to see how much our mixture here with our oats and all that good stuff in there. Let's see how much we can get in there. I think we should be able to get it all. Okay. Now we'll just spread that out a little. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to cover that and let that cook. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. Yeah, that's looking good. It's getting crusty around the edge and it's starting to firm up good. Alright, let's cover it and let that cook a little while longer. Okay, let's give it a check. It's been about another minute. Boy, that looks good. Now we're going to add some cheese. Yeah, because we just like cheese. Put some cheese on there. Yeah, we definitely like cheese. Okay. And we're going to spritz it with some green onions. Okay, that should do it. Get that little guy up there. Yeah, now we're going to just spritz it with a little bit more salt on top. Extra pepper. And just because we like it, a little bit of smoky paprika. Okay. Give it a little color there. Plus it gives it a smoky flavor, which is always good. Now we're going to cover that and let everything melt. Okay, let's shut off our burner and check it out. See how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's just beautiful. Boy, that looks really good. All the cheese is melted in and we formed a nice crust on the bottom. That'd be good. Alright, let's get that out of there and plate that up. Boy, that smells really wonderful. Now we did that in 5 minutes. That's pretty neat. That's pretty good. Okay, let's get that out of there. I can't wait to taste that. Alright, let's see if we can get that out of there. Boy, that looks good, doesn't it? Can you take a look? Wow. Alright. Let's see if we can do it. Alright, let's slide him out of there. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, is that gonna be good. Well, there you have it, guys. A quick 5-minute recipe for breakfast. 1 cup of oats and 3 eggs and a bunch of cheese. That sounds good. Okay, let's see if we can get into it. Wow, look at the cheese. Alright, let's go this way. Did we cut that? Yep. Alright. Yeah, let's see if we can get a piece out of there. Yep, I'm just going to use my hands. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see it? Boy, is that good. Let me see if I can show you the bottom. See the bottom? Toast it perfectly. You see that? Okay, let's just have a little taste. Oh yeah. I never knew oatmeal could taste this good. No way. Oh wow, is that tasty. Okay, guys, just go ahead and make this because it's wonderful. It really tastes beautiful. The flavor is awesome. Alright, I gotta make sure I write this recipe down just the way it's supposed to be, because that is really good. You're gonna love this one right here. 1 slice is pretty heavy, so you could probably feed 4 with this, you know. That's good. Yeah, a quick word about our burner that we used to cook this. It worked out really good. And it's an Elite Gourmet electric burner. So you check down in the description for that, because we had to fix it. And if you run into the same trouble, just go ahead and take the back off and you'll see what we did. It was a quick fix. So, yep, you should be able to do it. Now, you know what? I'm going to have to make a cup of coffee. Yeah, because I didn't make one yet. Darn it. That sounds normal. Good.